Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. Hope you enjoyed last week's video of the quick and easy spicy vegetarian curry. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend that you do. That recipe is also in the vegetarian dish playlist. A link to that playlist is in the description box below or in the eye above. Before we get to today's recipe, I would like to remind you to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell for notifications of future recipes. So for today's video, we're going to show you how to make a spicy chorizo pasta. This is a hearty and delicious dish similar to the one I showed you last week. Let's go over the ingredients. You will need 1 onion, portobello mushroom, zucchini, celery, soy chorizo, diced tomato, rigatoni pasta, tomato sauce, and to make it spicy, you will need chipotle peppers. Let's cook! First, you're going to be cooking the pasta according to package directions. Make sure to reserve 1 cup of pasta water. To make the sauce, you're going to use your Dutch oven. First, we're going to add some oil. Then you're going to add your chorizo to start browning it. Since I'm using soy chorizo in this video, and soy chorizo tends to be on the drier side since it doesn't have much fat, I highly recommend that you add oil as needed. After that, you will add the onion and mix. Once the onion starts to become translucent, you can add the celery and mix so it's well incorporated. At this time, you can add your chipotle peppers. I'm adding 3 chipotle peppers along with some of the juice from the can, but if you want your dish to be more spicy, feel free to add more. Next, you will add the mushrooms. I chose portobello mushrooms because they tend to be more meaty, but if you don't have portobello mushrooms, you can just use regular white cap mushroom. At this point, I added more oil because the soy chorizo doesn't release fat. Now you will add your zucchini, your diced tomato, and your tomato sauce. And mix until everything is well incorporated. Now we're going to let this sauce simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. After the time has passed, you will see that the sauce has thickened a little bit and the vegetables are cooked. Now we're adding the pasta water, thicken the sauce, and help the pasta stick to the sauce. Now it's time to add the rigatoni to the mixture. Now you're just gonna mix everything until every bit of pasta has some sauce. It's a good time to add black pepper to taste. Salt is not necessary as there is already a lot of salt in the pasta water and chorizo. Now you should turn off the heat so you can add the cheese. We turn off the heat to prevent the cheese from curling and forming into a ball. We want the cheese to melt, not cook. Mix the cheese into the pasta so it can be well incorporated. Now it's time to serve. Once you serve it, you can add some Mexican crema for that extra creaminess and tart taste. If you don't have Mexican crema, you can add sour cream. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. Also, please follow me on Instagram because I post photos of my meals daily. If you do recreate this dish, please share it with all your friends and use the hashtag Ley Sisters. Thank you for watching. Bye!